Understanding earthquakes and safety measures during and after an earthquake. Welcome to our earthquake safety training. By the end of this training, you will explain how earthquakes occur, identify signs that an earthquake may be imminent, describe safe hiding spots during an earthquake, outline actions to take immediately after an earthquake. Here are the most critical topics about earthquakes and how to stay safe. Understanding the causes of earthquakes. How earthquakes happen. Caused by tectonic plate movements. Action. Stay alert for tremors or vibrations. Signs that an earthquake may be imminent. How to identify. Look for minor tremors or loud noises. Action. Be ready to take cover immediately. Safety measures during an earthquake. How to stay safe. Find shelter under sturdy furniture. Action. Protect your head and neck during shaking. Post-earthquake procedures. How to respond. Check for injuries and avoid hazards. Action. Stay informed and follow emergency instructions. Now let's review some real-world scenarios. A person experiencing minor tremors before a major quake. Pause and observe. Are there minor tremors occurring? Your action should be: prepare for potential shaking. Finding shelter under a sturdy table during an earthquake. Pause and act. Find a sturdy table or desk. If shaking starts, drop, cover, and hold on. Navigating away from damaged buildings after an earthquake. Pause and navigate. Avoid areas with potential hazards. Your action should be: move away from damaged structures. Now let's recap on what you learned. Earthquakes are caused by tectonic plate movements. Take cover under sturdy furniture during an earthquake. Avoid driving near potential hazards like bridges during an earthquake. Always check for injuries and stay informed after an earthquake.